Meralco made mincemeat of also ran Blackwater in a lopsided 102-75 victory that assured the Bolts an outright quarterfinals berth in the PBA Commissioner's Cup at the MOA Arena in Pasay City last night. With an unforgiving defense on an above 50% shooting clip from the field majority of the game, the Bolts thoroughly beat the Elite in the first three quarters, leading by as many as 41 points before eventually wrapping up a third straight win and their sixth in 8 games in all. The Elite dropped to 1-9. Coach Norman Black and his troops are in contention for a top 2 finish as they play their last 3 games in the elims versus Alaska Milk, Rain, or Shine and Magnolia. Rain or Shine, 7-1, and TNT KaTropa, 6-2, pursue their own top 2 aspirations as they tangle with Phoenix Petroleum, 3-5, and San Miguel Beer, 3-4, respectively, in a crucial Petron Blaze Saturday doubleheader tonight, also at the MOA Arena. The Beermen and the Fuel Masters, meanwhile, are fighting to keep their quarterfinal hopes alive. I thought my guys played with a sense of urgency tonight. Last night. It was a must-win situation for us, especially with the 3 games coming up in our schedule, said Black. The Bolts core group, led by hulking importer Rinzan Uaku, pummeled the Elite badly in each of the first 3 quarters before the Meralco third group finished off the hapless Elite. Antonio Campbell made 2 big trays in the fourth quarter to highlight a 28-point game, while Chris Panchero scored 10 of his 12 points in the last 5 minutes of the game as Alaska Milk thwarted NLEX 120-111 to boost its top 2 drive later in the night. Coach was telling me of their losing record against NLEX, but I told them I wasn't here then. Before the game, I said we're gonna get the W, and that's what we did, said Campbell. The scores. First game. Meralco 102, Onuaku 17, Karam 13, Hodge 12, Dillinger 11, Canaleta 10, Amer 9, Telomia 6, Hugnaton 6, Newsom 4, Ballesteros 4, Sejarif 3, Docampo 3, Salva 2, Baracal 2, Bono 0, Lanit 0. Blackwater 75, Walker 14, Maliksi 12, Zamer 11, Sumang 10, De Gregorio 8, Al Husseini 7, Aram 4, Bainal 2, Pinto 2, Sina 2, Palma 1, Cortez 0, Cruz 0, Javier 0. Quarter scores 24-15, 59-30, 79-47, 102-75. Second game. Alaska 120, Campbell 28, Manuel 22, Casio 16, Inciso 13, Rackle 13, Banchero 12, Foss 6, Pascual 6, Examiniano 4, Baclau 0, Magat 0, Galigas 0. NLEX 111, Moultrie 34, Quinahan 17, Baguio 11, Malaria 11, Talo 11, Gyeongsan 9, Miranda 4, Ilo 4, Island 3, Marcelo 3, Soyad 2, Talava 2, Montfort 0. Quarter scores 28-14, 55-48, 88-86, 120-11.